Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. It is Friday, July the 28th. Today is my 34th birthday, and this is more or less of a birthday gift to me because you all remember how the fan was running before? Okay, you lean it back, the noise goes away. You lean it forward. Well, I'm going to plug the fan in and I'm going to show you. First of all, you see the clamp on here that I got off of this old three-prong grounded plug here, and I took it off of this and I put it over the shaft, and I think I found out exactly what the problem was. The sleeve there was worn, and no matter what I did, there was still too much friction to where the blade was not over the shaft securely. So basically what it was doing is that it was basically, the blade was basically just running over the shaft, and so I put this on and I tightened it up, and this is what happened. That racket is gone. No noise at all. It is still slightly out of balance, but what more can you do? Truth be told, I'm really not too concerned about it. I think that was pretty much all that it needed. And I think that the reason why the speeds were not functioning properly is because, like I said, the blade was basically just running over the shaft, the way that it was from where it was so loose. The bearing sleeve was basically worn, and I think that solved my problem right there. I'm going to throw the front guard back on, and we're going to see what it does then. Okay, now I have the front guard back on, and I'm going to tighten this up. We're going to see if there's any rattling, even without the front guard here spinning. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on now and see what it does. Here we go. Medium. Low. It's running very smoothly. Minimum vibration. Okay, now I'm going to run it with the front guard loosened. A very nice blast of air that thing is throwing out. Awesome. No noise or no vibration at all. No noise. Step out of the windstream to see what it sounds like. Okay, and now we will turn it off. Coast down has really made quite the improvement as well. Tell you, that Singer sewing machine oil really does the trick. See if we can capture startup sound now. With that noise being gone, we should be able to hear it better. Okay, here we go. Medium. Okay, awesome. Looks like this came in full circle after all. Everything is working properly. This fan is right where it belongs. I think that's all that it needed. Now I think this is now ready for use. Well, there you go, everybody. I think that pretty much solves all of my fan problems for now. Hopefully it should stay that way, and I think it should. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. This is good to go now, and I think this whole thing paid off. I hope that you all have enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.